Juliana Chua Salsabila, and I just graduated from SMK Negeri 1 Kendal with a major in office management. I am interested in customer service because I enjoy helping people and solving problems.
Wait, are you interested in working for your company?
I have always admired Sami Company for its outstanding customer service reputation. I believe my skill and enthusiasm would be a great fit for your team.
What are your strengths?
I'm a good listener and I'm very patient. I also have excellent communication skills, both written and verbal.
What are your weaknesses?
Sometimes I am too detail-oriented, which slows me down. However, I'm working on improving my time management skills.
Do you have any question for me?
Yes, I would like to know about the company culture.
We have a very friendly and supportive work environment. We encourage your employees to be creative and always strive for excellence. Thank you for your time. We will be in touch with you